Understanding Natural Deduction, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase, natural deduction. This term might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together in a simple and engaging way. So, let's get started and explore what natural deduction really means. Natural deduction is a phrase often used in the fields of logic and philosophy. At its core, it refers to a method for reasoning and proving statements. This method is considered natural because it closely mirrors the way humans naturally think and reason. It's a bit like solving a puzzle by carefully putting together pieces of information to reach a conclusion. In natural deduction, there are a few key components to understand. 1. Premises. These are statements or facts that are assumed to be true. 2. Rules of inference. These are logical rules that guide how we can move from premises to conclusions. 3. Conclusion. This is the statement you end up with after applying the rules of inference to your premises. It's a bit like baking a cake. You start with ingredients, premises, follow a recipe, rules of inference, and end up with a delicious cake, conclusion. Let's put natural deduction into a more everyday context. Imagine your friend says, "All birds can fly. Penguins are birds. Therefore, penguins can fly." Here, the first two statements are premises, and the last is a conclusion. However, this is an example of incorrect deduction, as we know penguins can't fly. This shows the importance of accurate premises in natural deduction. Understanding natural deduction is crucial because it helps us develop critical thinking skills. It's not just about proving statements in logic or philosophy, but also about how we make decisions and understand arguments in daily life. It's a tool that sharpens our ability to think clearly and make sound judgments. And there we have it, a journey through the concept of natural deduction. I hope this video has helped demystify this term and shown you how it plays a role in our everyday thinking. Remember, understanding complex ideas can be easy and fun with the right approach. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.